Hey YouTube knife enthusiast, I wanted to show you this knife, by Benchmade that you can customize. So this is the Benchmade Mini Barrage, and you get this right off the shelf. I got this at Bass Pro. I lost my pocket knife, so I went in there looking around for something new, and this was just the perfect size and weight and materials for me. So I liked it so much that I went on Benchmade's website and I started poking around just to see what was available, and I stumbled upon their custom knife process, I guess. You know, they offer a number of their knives up for customization, and it's a really neat process. You get to choose the grip, the spline, the blade material, the color of the blade release, and the blade lock. You also get to pick the the clip. The only thing you don't get to pick is this thumb screw, which is really stupid on their part. It really wouldn't be much more effort to let the customer choose, and they don't. They only allow silver, so I had to swap it out with, actually I think this one that came black, which is just so weird. But anyway, they also let you engrave whatever you want on it. I had my name engraved on it. And let me just give you just a little close-up of some of the custom features. I really like their clip. This is the deep carry clip as opposed to the regular clip that comes on there. And I'm just used to the deep carry. It gets it deeper in your pocket. Sometimes it's a little harder to get out of your pocket, but with board shorts and you know, swim trunks and stuff like that, it really gets down in there deep, and you don't risk getting it snagged on something and losing it. I actually dropped mine overboard, had nothing to do with the clip. I also like the way that they finish this. It gets a nice patina after you use it for a little while. I've had this since Christmas, and now it's April, so about 4 months, and it just starts to wear around the edges and gives a really nice patina on there. So I liked that feature as well. This, I don't remember what they call this, but it's impervious to anything. I've had knives with this type of grip before. So like I said, I really liked the knife, and I really liked the customization option, so I went ahead and ordered my wife one in pink, as you can see. I ordered her the deep carry clip as well, and customized out the clip and the two locks, and then just left this silver to match the screws and everything else. And this makes a nice blade. I put her name on it. It makes a nice blade for her to carry in her bag, and it does have some feminine quality about it. You don't get to choose very many options from, this is the least expensive nylon material. Then this is the upgraded, whatever they call it. It's like a gun grip, I think. And then this is the fully customized version. But in the bright colors, you just get to pick nylon. And to tell you the truth, I think it might be even a little bit lighter than the other material, maybe just by a little bit. But another neat thing about these knives is the experience when you order it. So you go through the entire customization screens. It's very intuitive and easy. I'll go ahead and show you those. And what happens here is you get to pick all your features, and then they get you to really commit. And they're not kidding. The only thing that you can customize after you place the order is the etching. And you only have about 2 days to customize the etching. Meaning the custom name that you want to etch into the knife. Everything else is like locked and loaded, and you can't change a thing, and they have all kinds of warnings that you're not getting a refund if you don't like what you've done. So they're, know that going in. But the other neat thing is through the entire process, it takes about 4 weeks to get your knife. They send you all these emails, and they tell you when the blade is being made, when the body is being made, when it's in assembly. And so you get these little emails along the way to let you know that they haven't forgotten about you. And then next thing you know, you end up getting a box like this in the mail with nice invoices in it, and a little bag for you to probably never ever use. But that was, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth the money. If you just have one knife that you carry around all the time, is there really a price you can put on that? So thanks for watching. If you haven't seen these knives close up or heard of Benchmade's custom program, then I hope this video helps you make a buying decision. Thanks for watching as always, and please hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of the new completely random videos that I post all the time. Thanks for watching. See ya.